How to play Xbox Cloud Gaming on Android TV. So, first is to have a subscription. So ensure you have an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Then you want to download the Xbox app. So just search and install the official Xbox app from the Google Play Store or your Android TV. Then you want to sign in. So open the app, sign in with your Xbox account credentials. Then you want to pair the controller. So connect a compatible Bluetooth controller like an Xbox controller to your Android TV. Then you want to navigate and play. So use the controller to browse and cloud gaming library and launch your desired game. You can also consider XP Play. So if the official app isn't available in your region, consider using the XP Play, which is a third-party app to access Xbox Cloud Gaming on your Android TV. And then lastly is to have a stable and strong internet connection. So it is crucial to have a strong and stable internet connection for a smooth cloud gaming experience.